In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review your timesheets in ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating with the left sidebar. From there, select Spaces. This brings you to the space where your projects and tasks live, and it's the quickest way to narrow down the work you want to review. Choose the space that contains the tasks you're tracking so everything you need is in one place. Next, open the specific task you want to check. Clicking the task slides out the task panel where you can see key details. Look for the time estimate. This is the amount of time planned for that task. It might be set by you or by your team's templates, and it serves as the benchmark you'll compare against later. While you're in the task, use track time to capture work as it happens. You can start the timer from the task or log time right there. The important part is that your time is recorded accurately, because those entries are what populate your timesheets and make your reports trustworthy. When you're ready to review, move to the top right of your view and click Filter. Clear the noise by selecting Unselect All. This resets what you see so you can focus only on the data that matters for a timesheet review. Then enable Time Estimate followed by Time Tracked. With just these two fields visible, you have a simple side-by-side comparison of what was planned versus what actually happened. Now you can review the timesheets effectively. Scan down the list and compare each task's time estimate to its time tracked value. Large differences call for a closer look. If track time is higher than the estimate, consider whether scope changed or if the estimate needs adjustment next time. If it's lower, confirm the work is truly complete and nothing was missed in logging. Keep your review consistent by checking the same fields every time and by adding brief descriptions to time entries so context is preserved for future audits. Staying disciplined here helps you spot patterns, improve estimates, and keep stakeholders informed without digging through extra screens. That's all you need to walk through a clear timesheet review in ClickUp. Navigate to your space, open the task, confirm the time estimate, ensure time is tracked, use filter to show time estimate and time tracked, and then compare. Follow this flow regularly to keep your projects predictable and your reports accurate.